dog.
Huh? Oh, Maddie, she's so tiny. Look at you, little doggy. You're the cutest little thing. Oh, yes, you are.
I think she's a bit scared of the dog park, Triggs. Maybe you could show her what's so great about it. Help her feel at home.
It would be my honor. Let's see. What's so great about the dog park? Well, there's shaggy dogs and waggy dogs with tongues that flop around. There's fluffy dogs and scruffy dogs, white, gold, black and brown. There's Rover, Sprocket, Banjo and Kathleen. And when we get together, well, it's something to be seen. Come on now, everybody, let's raise the woof. Oh, I love the dog park. Doggy, 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 dog park. Oh, I love the dog park. Every doggy's welcome in the dog park.
Hear that, little doggy? Every doggy's welcome. Oh, McGinty, I just hope Triggs can get her to join in. Come on, Triggs.
We're fetching toys and making noise and chasing balls around. There's water balls and digging holes to bury the bones in the ground. We can sniff, we can scratch, and if we need a wee, we don't need to beg, we can lift our leg and go behind the tree. Up, don't be looking now. Oh, I love the dog park. Doggy, 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 dog park.
Hear that, McGinty? Your little doggy is squeaking her toy in time with the music.
I think you're right, Maddie. Does that mean you're ready to go and play, little doggy? What was that?
Oh, my goodness.
Whoa! I did not expect that big roar from such a tiny dog.
Well, knock me over with a squeaky toy. She's only gonna join the other dogs. She wants to play.
Woohoo! You did it, Triggs!
I know, Maddie, and we're not finished yet. All together now, one last time. Oh, I love the dog park. Doggy, 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 dog park. Oh, I love the dog park. Playing with my friends inside the dog park. Oh, 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 oh.
Amazing!
Thank you so much, Triggs. Because of you, the little doggine isn't shy anymore. You can say that again. She's chasing me all around the dog park. Woof! You'll never catch me, little doggy. Oh, maybe you will.
Go, Triggs!
It's nearly lunchtime in Higgledy-Piggledy, and Maddie, Triggs, Mum and Dad are relaxing in the garden.
This book's great. How's your book, Mum?
Shh, I'm just coming to a good bit.
Me too. I love this book.
Triggs, what you doing?
It's tummy talk, Mrs. S. My tummy growled at me, so I growled back.
Oh, Triggs.
Triggs, it's not growling at you. It's just telling you that you're getting hungry.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, Tummy. It's nearly lunchtime.
Okay, that was me. It really is nearly lunchtime.
I didn't know you talked to me too, Mr. S.
Great noise, Dad.
And so is that, Mum. That's the biggest snort I've ever heard.
Well, I suppose I had better be the one to make lunch, seeing as you three little piggies have all got the giggles.
We do all have the giggles.
Oh, 3 little piggies.
The 3 little piggies of Higgledy-Piggledy.
Pardon me, Mrs. S.
I think your body's telling you you've gulped too much air from snorting.
Oh, sorry, body, and sorry, Tummy. Lunch won't be long now. Oh.
That was a great sigh. While we're waiting for lunch, why don't we see what other cool noises our bodies can make?
You're
amazing, Triggs. Scratching your ear was a great noise. But when you shook your head, that was a brilliant noise. Do it again.
Oh, okay.
Your chops are amazing, Triggs. Let me try. Ooh. No, my cheeks don't work like yours. But I can do this.
Mrs. S, you gotta hear this. Maddie put her finger in her mouth and made her cheek go pop. Do it again, Maddie.
Ooh, it's very cool. How about this one? If I flick my finger against my cheek, it sounds like this.
Wow!
Mrs. S.
That's so echoey, like being in a cave.
It's a hot, sunny day in Higgledy-Piggledy, and Maddie, Granny and Triggs are going to Mr. Moon's corner shop.
Ah, here's Mr. Moon's shop now.
Hello, Maddie and Triggs. Hiya, Gran. Enjoying the fine weather, are we?
Hi, Mr. Moon. Whew, it's really warm out there today.
The sun is splitting the stones.
It's a hot one, all right. Just let me press this button and pull this lever. Oh.
Wow!
Well, what do you think of my super swishy swirly ice cream dream machine?
Oh, Mr. Moon, this is fabulous. Look at all the different ice cream flavours.
And all the colours. It's like a rainbow. This is so cool.
This is cooler than an ice cream truck.
Wow, Mr. Moon. So, what can I get?
I thought you'd never ask. You have all kinds of choices. Large tub, small tub or cup. Waffle cone, wafers, cake cone. Whatever you choose, I'll fill it up.
I never knew there were so many choices. This is going to be a tough one.
Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Yogurt, smoothies, so many flavours to eat. Now pick your favourite flavour. Chocolate, cherry, rainbow. Bubblegum, caramel or mint chip. Vanilla cookie, just let me know.
Wow! They all sound so yummy. But how will I choose one?
Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Yogurt, smoothies, so many flavours to eat. Ice pops, sorbet, they cool you in the heat. Ice cream, a refreshing, tasty treat. Now pick your favourite topping.
But wait!
Raisins, sprinkles and gummies. Honeycomb, granola, fresh fruit.
Stop! Mr. Moon, this is really cool, but there's just so many choices. I couldn't concentrate on them all. I don't know what to choose.
Oh, no, Maddie. You don't look happy.
If I choose strawberry, will it go with sprinkles? Or if I choose mint, will it go with the chocolate balls? What if I make the wrong choice?
Oh, Maddie, darling, don't be worrying. Sure, you can't go wrong with ice cream. I know you'll make a great choice.
I don't know, Granny.
Trust me, Maddie, whatever you pick, it'll be delicious.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm very, very sure. No matter the choice, I promise it'll be yummy in your tummy.
I've made my choice.
Excellent. Ooh, this is exciting.
Mr. Moon, all those flavors sound amazing, but I'd like to try one of those simple vanilla wafers that Granny talked about.
You mean the classic ice cream sandwich?
A brilliant choice, Maddie. Sometimes the simple option is the way to go.
Here you go, Maddie. One ice cream sandwich.
Thank you, Mr. Moon.
I'm too sleepy. I might just rest my head on this piece of toast and have a little nap.
So I guess you won't be wanting any of these tasty doggy biscuits then?
What? Doggy biscuits? Oh, why didn't you say? Woof, woof. Yummy doggy biscuits.
I think Triggs might be more hungry than sleepy.
Oh, who's this then?
It's the little birdie. He wants us to come outside and play. He says there's loads of butterflies who need a chase.
Ooh, butterflies.
Oh, and you can tell all that from just listening to the bird song, can you?
It's amazing what you hear when you really take the time to listen, Mum. Come on, let's go run. Hop in the garden. We'll sing and dance for fun. Hop in the garden. We'll drink in all the sun. Hop in the garden. We'll join the butterflies and greet the day.
Right then, we're full of grub. Now let's go play. Ruff, ruff.
To the garden!
Wait, Maddie. It's very sunny out there. You're going to need some sunscreen.
Ugh, it's all gooey and sticky, Dad. Ew.
And don't forget your outdoor glasses, Maddie.
Thanks, Mum.
I have to say, Maddie, you were right about coming outside. This fresh air is brilliant. Woof.
I knew you'd feel better if you came outside to play, Triggs.
Oh, thanks, Birdie. You were only waking me up to tell me how nice it was.
I guess you'll know that next time you hear him singing in the morning.
Now, I heard there were some butterflies in this garden that needed a chase. I wonder where they could be.
Over here, Triggs, by the wildflowers.
Ah, there they are. Oh, there's some really pretty butterflies over here. Come here, you little butterfly. Oh, hey, come here, you.
Ah, Triggs, it's good to have you back. Thanks for helping us out, Birdie. Maybe one song for the road? I love to play with you, hop in the garden. It's hard to feel blue, hop in the garden. The shade feels nice and cool, hop in the garden. With my friends I feel brand new, we greet the day.
Come here, Mr. Butterfly.
Isn't it amazing the things you hear if you just take the time to listen? My